Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear cache and cookies in your Google Chrome browser step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now, head to the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look for the Privacy and Security section on the left-hand side and click on it. The first option you'll see is Clear Browsing Data. Click on it to open the clearing options. Here, choose your preferred time range, like last 24 hours, 7 days, or all time. I recommend selecting all time. Then, check only cookies and other site data and cached images and files. As you can see, my cache size is 12.2 megabytes. Yours might be different. Now click on Clear Data, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.